What's up? It's Tuesday and today I'm going to show you different workouts that you can do with these handy dandy things. They look like rubber bands, but they're called bands, and you put them in different parts of your body to strengthen your muscles. So follow me along and let's get started. Side to side squat. Make sure your abs are tight, your hips should move back, then lower your body to a parallel position. Once parallel, move your left foot to the side while you maintain the squat. Go to each side 2 times, then switch sides, staying in position until you complete a total of 12 reps. Side kick plus squat. Alright guys, with your feet hip width apart, immediately kick one leg out to the side, then place that foot back on the floor. With your core contracted, push your hips back, bend your knees, and keep your chest upright, then lower into the squat. Kick back. Push back with your leg, make sure you keep the leg straight with a slight bend to take stress off the knee joint. Squeeze and push back. Bring the leg to the starting position and repeat. You should do 20 reps per leg. Lateral arm extension. Put the band around your wrist, holding your arm out in front of your body, then extend your arms to the sides. Bring them in and out. You'll feel these in your shoulders and upper arm muscles. I hope you guys enjoyed this workout. If you don't have the bands, don't worry, you can do it without them. But if you can, I highly recommend them because they're very cheap and effective. You can find them in any athletic store and even online. Remember that I post new videos every Tuesday. If you haven't already, click this button below, subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. See you next time.